How to fix Google Meet login error. First, if you're having any kinds of problem while logging into the Meet application, what you want to do is you want to simply switch your account over here. Tap on your profile picture and you'd be able to tap on manage your Google account to manage your Google accounts over here. However, if you're simply switching for accounts, you would be able to do so by simply swiping down or up on your profile picture over here. You want to simply access through the different kinds of different accounts over here if you have multiple accounts, and check for your login access. After that, if you're still having any kinds of problem, what you want to do is you want to simply swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. After that, if you're still having any kinds of problem, you want to simply tap and hold onto the Meet app and tap on app info. Tap on storage and cache and you want to simply clear your cache from here. Doing so, you shouldn't be having any kinds of problem while logging into the Google Meet again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.